Hi everyone, this is a tutorial to show you how to extract data from COMFEN in CSV format and then taking it to the Excel document that I shared on B courses. So what you're going to do is you're going to go on the summary and click on here, export to CSV, and save it somewhere that you would remember. I will call this base case. And click save. Then afterwards, you would open your CSV file and it would look something like this. So you would have the scenario, you would have heating, cooling, you would have fans, lighting, and total energy use. For now, we would not work with fans because that is something that mechanical usually designs and sizes. So your main concern here is heating, cooling, lighting, and the total energy. So what we want you to do is you would be copying. So for example, if you look at base case, so this was the base case that I modeled in COMFEN. The north side of the base case, south side, east side, and the west side. So I want you to copy the numbers you saw and bring it here. So we're going to start from north facade. North facade heating, and remember this is megajoule per meter square per year. So I'm bringing the north heating into north heating. Next thing is cooling. The next thing is lighting. And remember, your numbers will be different. This is just a test I created, a test model I created. So your numbers are going to be different. Okay. So another thing I want you to do is rounding these numbers. So we don't really want you to have so many extra digits in your number, and what you do is make sure to get rid of the digits after you're done. So next thing is the south facade. I'm going to go back to my CSV export from COMFEN that I opened in Excel. So this is the heating from COMFEN. It's going to be that, and then again cooling, and then lighting, and then pay attention that lighting is not really changing. Then east facade, same thing, heating, cooling, and then lighting is the same, but I'm still gonna copy paste it. Then for west, we're gonna do heating, cooling, and lighting. Okay, so again, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get rid of all those extra digits, and same with these guys. So here you can see that we have like a total amount which is divided by square meter per year of your EUI, and here is you can see the that this table is also recalculated. And now we're going to look at the monthly amounts. Okay, so go back to your COMFEN file. Okay, so next thing that you need to do is getting the monthly data out that we would be using in the Excel document again. So you drop all the cases from whichever design option you're going to put in the Excel document, and then you go on the energy and the monthly zone, and then so let's try again. Okay, so here you can see that I have the monthly data for January, and so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to merge and center. And so on. So let's start with south facade heating of January. So I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna come here again, south facade, base case monthly, January. I'm gonna put the heating. Then going back to my other Excel document, so it's not this one, I'm done with this one, it's this one. I'm gonna go to cooling and place it here, and then lighting, so this is gonna sum it up for you. And another thing is make sure not to change the formatting of this. So basically just copy paste the actual data from it, not don't do actually copy pasting. So now I have to add the bottom border to these, and also it's like a thicker bottom border. I have to center these, so make sure just to bring in the data, only the data. So now I have to just do the right borders. And yeah, so same for February. So I go back to my south facade heating February. I just again just copy the data in. Don't actually copy the whole cell. So I'm gonna copy the data. Okay. So with what you do also, this gets populated. So make sure to fill it in anywhere that it says fill only these columns. Do not touch things that says do not touch, okay? And yeah, so if you follow this instruction, you can do the same for all the process. And for the use case for the schedule, I picked office. We didn't have a pool in the schedule, so I picked schedule office. And yeah, so this is it. Let me know if you have any other question.